does asphalt ball press deal with heat dissipation? Asphalt ball pressing machine is a kind of high-tech equipment designed for asphalt powder ball pressing. It can effectively save the use of minerals and beautify the environment. But when the machine is running, we must pay attention to a problem, namely heat dissipation. Many customers do not pay attention to these details when using the machine. Today, we understand the heat dissipation problem in the operation of asphalt ball press. As long as the machine is running, it generates a lot of heat. Although the machine itself has the function of cooling, but the machine will not run for a short time. Special attention is therefore necessary. Otherwise, if there is no heat dissipation for a long time, the service life of the machine will be greatly shortened, and sometimes some parts of the machine will burn out. Therefore, the heat dissipation of asphalt ball press is very important. The long-term operation of the machine is easy to cause problems. Once the internal parts of the machine are burned out due to the internal overheating of the machine, the replacement of the parts will be more troublesome, time-consuming, and laborious.